Bonehead Guitars. Let's go build some junk. Okay, it's time for glue up. I have to be real strategic with this call, at least with a Gibson scale, to make sure I got clamping room outside of it. 25 inch, not a problem. It's cut to the taper so I can see around the damn thing, and it's got corked back on 2 tracks, so that puts more pressure on the outside. In this particular case, we'll be able to clamp down here at the nut end and on the 24th fret, and this will sit outside of my access port so I can make sure it's lined up. Now, I don't know everybody else's feelings about masking tape, and I don't care. Since we trimmed the sides, accurate center line on the blank and the fretboard are absolutely essential. Alright, next we'll need to route the binding channel. What I have started to like to do is to route the binding channel so that it does not go all the way through the fretboard, so it leaves just a thin line that looks like a veneer's there. So that's what we're going to try to do here, which takes a certain amount of setup, but we're going to take a bite at a time. So quick and easy, we'll just ease down to it. the point of that is that once we get our binding on, which, crap, I don't actually want to untape at the moment. It'll just be a thin line of maple, which will look super sexy badass. This microplane piece of shit, basically a blade with 2 handles. This has become one of my favorite carving tools. It was $5 at Walmart. Just a little bit. Figured we were at a point where we could get down to thickness. Now, I'm not even gonna lie, I don't really measure for specific thickness. I know the truss rod I'm using, that slot is a 1/2 inch deep. I want a little less than a 1/4 inch on top of that, and a little more than a 1/4 inch on top of that. So beyond that, I just kind of work the feel. And the happy accident with this particular neck, that basically means I just level the maple and then we'll round from there. Thanks for hanging out and watching. If you're digging what we're doing, like this video, go subscribe. We'll catch you next time. More goodies to come. Bye. Like, subscribe, watch. Anywho, huge thank you to new subscribers. You guys came out of the woodwork. It's amazing to see that many people are watching. Again, thanks to all the official entrants, the official builders, competitors, whatever, for putting this damn thing together and giving us an opportunity for us to all pay attention to each other at the same time. It's been awesome. Thank you to the other builders for doing your thing. It's been hella fun to watch. Big thanks to my girlfriend Kaya for putting up with me being, filthy and sweaty and absent a lot. Anyway, thanks to everybody. Except for the, no. Even thanks to the 3 knobheads that downvoted videos. And not just mine, other people's videos too. What are you doing? Why? It's not like we're sharing, you know, weird political views or something. If you don't like the build, just, whatever. Anyway, thanks to everybody, even those dickheads. Don't be a dickhead. Friends, don't let friends be dickheads. That's not true. They very often do. Anyway.